It's always been you. Gennaro, it's crazy, isn't it? These past 3 years were more than just the honeymoon stage of dating for us. Funny thing is that not many people know, but we actually have known each other for longer. As you know, we had met a year earlier, but you didn't have the guts to ask me for my number.
To the future Mrs. Santinello. Wow, we made it. I've been waiting to see you walk down the aisle for a long time now. I'm sure you will be the most beautiful bride.
We went an entire year without seeing each other, but the Italian pizza guy was always in the back of my mind. It's funny how fairy tales work, huh?
You literally have a heart full of love. You always put others in front of you, especially me. You're the most perfect pizza wife.
Gennaro, you are my love, my light, my life, my shoulder to cry on. With the loss of my grandfather, your presence and support played a major role. That's when I knew that I found the man of my dreams, the man that loves and cares about me.
I promise to be trustful, respectful, and loving for the rest of my life. I will continue to love you endlessly. Love you with all of my heart, Fufino.
As I sit here in tears writing this, I just want to leave you with this. I promise to love you every day for the rest of my life, even when it gets hard. Cheers to us, Mr. Santinello. I can't wait to be your missus. With so much love, Tanya Martins. I, Gennaro, take you, Tanya, to be my wife.
I, Tanya, take you, Gennaro, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad, in sickness and in health.
To love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
Mr. and Mrs. Gennaro Santinello.
Tanya, I loved you like a sister, like day one. Grazie a tutti, a famiglia mia, Italia, è venuta qua. Italiano non è troppo bene, scusa. Però grazie a famiglia, venire qua in un momento speciale per Gennaro e Tanya. Grazie.
Little sister. While most big brothers have always had to be the protector, you were always the one protecting me, even though I'm 6'4". I'm very proud of the woman you've become.
The way that the two of your families have came together far before this wedding, I knew that what you have is something special.
Now, if you guys know the walk-in fridge and freezer, they have a little hook on top. He pissed my dad off so bad, my dad chased him. He ran on top of the flour to jump on top of the fridge, but he got hooked and it's hung there. My dad took the ladder away and said, screw him, let him hang. But that's not the man he is today. I couldn't be any more proud of the person you become.
I could not be happier today. My family tree has sprouted another limb.
Let's raise your glasses. To the beautiful couple, chin down, a salute, I love you both.
Away we go,
Tanya and Gennaro, you have the opportunity, as does every married couple, to make love real. So celebrate this day. Enjoy this day with a few hundred of your closest friends. But always remember, what you do today is sacred in God's eyes, so that our world will be changed and transformed by your love.